Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So you might be wondering why my car is behind me and why we're at this weird angle, why all these pictures of cleaning stuff is behind us, why there's things hanging from the ceiling, why we're dressed like this, why we don't look cute.
Well, the answer to all of your questions is Audrey needs a car wash.
Yeah, my car's really dirty. I haven't washed the outside ever since I've had it, I don't think. I mean, I haven't had it for very long, but I don't think I've ever washed the outside of my car.
Yeah, and we look like this because it's Monday, and everybody kind of bumps it out on Mondays. Like, I was just telling her either like I don't do my hair, or my makeup, or my outfit's not cute. So,
we're also looking around a lot because this is like a place where you wash your own car, but there's like 800 workers walking around everywhere. It's making me really nervous, so.
Yeah, I don't love it. But anyway, so we're just gonna get right into it.
Yeah, but the reason we're cleaning out my car is because we're gonna go to Kings Island over the weekend, and that's gonna be our next video. But we don't want to ride to Kings Island in a dirty old nasty car. No way, Jose. So we're gonna clean it out so that we have a nice, clean ride.
Yeah. So Audrey can sleep the whole way.
Stop! I'm not. I'm gonna stay awake this time. Mark my words in this video. I'm not gonna fall asleep on the way home from Kings Island in the next video.
Last time she fell asleep on the way home. But we'll talk about that in the video next week.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get right into it.
Okay, that's a good idea.
So she's cleaning the tires right now. There's a guy watching us. You guys probably can't see him, but he's really like hardcore watching. The guy that works here. Let the car wash. Let the car wash. Yeah.
Have you ever seen that movie Shark Tales?
I think I saw when I was really young kid.
That song is in that movie.
Have you guys seen Shark Tales? That's what me and Audrey are talking about right now, because Let the Car Wash is in that movie. So one time me and Audrey came here to get car washes. We actually did it for a video, but we didn't end up posting the bed. And we got both of our cars clean. She got hers clean. Not this car, it was a car she had like 3 cars ago. And I got my car clean, and it was a car I had like 3 cars ago. And literally both of us have had like 2 other cars since that car.
Oh yeah, because the one we washed here, you never drove that car again.
Yeah, that's what I was telling him. So we literally got both of our cars clean. My car was all clean on the inside and the outside, so was hers. And we went to leave, and my car died in the pulling out of the parking lot, and I never got to work again. I had to like get it. Actually, I think we eventually got it home, but after that, never had it again. So I cleaned my car for nothing. Love that. Oh my gosh, that's pretty high pressure. Oh yeah, bro. Oh no, I just got someone. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy.
Guys, she's getting me soaked.
So right now she's conditioning her car. We're a little confused why you gotta condition your car. To get the tangles out maybe? We're not really sure. 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, well that's all for this video.
We hope you guys liked it.
Are we doing this backwards?
Yeah.
You
guys click on the little bell so you
Yeah,
get
right here.
a notification just like a text.
Oh really? I've never pushed that before on anybody.
Turn on the bell, you'll get the notification like that.
Yeah, and we know you want to watch our videos the second they come out. Because we have so many
you guys
fans.
have been doing that for so long.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, we're at Walmart, and this is the third Walmart I've been to today. So hopefully I can freaking find the Gatorade I'm looking for. What is that?
My grocery list.
Oh, you're so fancy. What are you getting today, Kelly?
I'm getting.
Don't forget to follow us.
Yes, we post yeah, we post videos together every Saturday. I post on Mondays and Audrey posts on Wednesdays.
Yeah, so sometimes that's 3 videos a week, sometimes that's 1 video a week.
Yes. Sometimes that's 3 videos a week, but it's always 1 video a week.
Oh, that's good. Okay, let's start over.
Hey.
So sometimes that's 3 videos a week, but it's always 1 video a week. That's not what I was supposed to say.
That was it. It just didn't sound as good.
What we're basically trying to say is we always post on Saturdays, but we don't always post solo vids. But when we do post solo vids, they come out on Monday and Wednesdays.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah.
So follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Just cause, why not?
Yeah, why not? So
Maybe we'll follow you back. Maybe if you follow us and say I followed you because you said to follow you in that video, we'll follow you back and then you'll get more followers.
Yeah,
Is that cool?
Yeah, that's cool. I think you're supposed to say like
Follow for a follow.
no, you're supposed to say like let me know that you came from this video. Like say suds.
I don't want to do this again. Say what? Suds?
Mhm.
That's good. Okay, so if you followed us because we told you to follow us right now in this video, say suds. Just out loud. And we'll hear it. And that's how we'll know.
Bell rings and he don't get it. Wait.
But when we do post solo vids.
Okay, we're gonna try this one more time.
Oh my gosh, I can't. Anyway, thanks for watching.